The amazing thing here is that we have this large hurricane that's just going to crawl along the coastline. So for areas, say, around the North Carolina, South Carolina border and Myrtle Beach, we're actually going to see a strong offshore wind blowing from land to water, which will actually keep the storm surge out. But then after the eye passes on Saturday, the storm surge will quickly come in. But the big story is going to be heavy rain. This storm is going to crawl along the coastline for 2 to 3 days and just wrap tropical moisture in for many days. Some areas could see 30 or more inches of rain. I'm really concerned about much of the state of North Carolina. I know a lot of people evacuated from the coast inland, but this isn't, sometimes we think of hurricanes as coastal wind events. In this case, the storm's moving so slowly and it's going to push so much rainfall that even well inland, we could see 25, 30, 35 inches of rain. So it's going to be a really broad area, really much of the Carolinas along the coast, but also well inland. We're going to see these torrential, really historic rainfall totals. The problem is going to be that we have this prolonged wind that's blowing onshore, so from the water towards the land. That's just going to push salt water inland, and it's going to actually fill the bays with salt water, and then we're going to add 25, 30, 35 inches of rain. Where's that going to drain? Once the bays are filled up with salt water for days at a time, it's just going to be a lot of salt water and fresh water, just a lot of inundation in some of these regular areas where we consistently see flooding. Those will be the areas to flood first, but the flood will be widespread. Areas that maybe have never flooded before could definitely see inundation.